All right, we're back now with Great Day Home Improvement. Are you in need of roof repairs, new siding or windows, but you're really not sure where to begin?
Don't worry, we have the expert here to help you understand the process step by step. So here to tell us now is Andrew Prchal, the president of Gunner Roofing. Thank you so much for being with us. We're learning so much in the commercial break, all the stuff I didn't know about getting a roof.
Absolutely. I mean, there's a lot to it, but really what we're here for is to make it super simple. We want people to be able to go through and really just do it like they're ordering something from Amazon.
Yeah.
You and your brother started the company.
Yep.
And you didn't really know too much about the business. You said there's a void here.
Yeah, absolutely. So my brother and I, we started back in 2018, and we just wanted to make sure that we could give people a great customer experience. But like I mentioned before, go on and actually be able to do something that is super easy to do.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it takes a lot of time to get quotes, do this, do that, and actually commit to getting your roof done. Why not make it easier?
How did you make it easy?
Let me tell you about that.
Let me tell you about that.
I know you just got your roof done, but what we do is we actually developed an online platform. So you're able to go online, put in your address, you'll get a quote back within an hour, probably by the time we finish up this episode, and you can actually fully check out. You can see different shingles, the different colors, and actually visualize it on your roof.
On your roof.
Yep.
So that estimator, so basically, now people go, oh gosh, a roof, that's too big, that's too expensive, just buy something online. But that's where you come in. You have, you also wanted to offer people stress-free, expert customer service. So how do you do that?
Absolutely. So that's the biggest thing. Is right. It's a big purchase. You want to be comfortable with whoever you're choosing. So that's why with what we do is we offer the best warranties, price match guarantee. We also have a project manager that's on site, making sure that when the roof is being installed, it's being done correctly. So it's easy to install a roof, but doing it correctly is the hardest part.
Based in Stamford, but all you guys do work all over the country.
We do. So we're headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut. We do roofing, siding, and windows on the East Coast, and then we service nationwide for roofing.
You've gotten lots of Cutting Edge Contractor 2023, Good Housekeeping Home Reno Award,
Great
lots
place
of
to
awards,
work.
Yep.
all of this. But this I've never seen before. This is not a regular shingle. This is a solar shingle. So if you don't like the look of the solar panels, you could just get a solar shingle?
Why not, right? So the solar shingles is awesome because it's actually integrated into the roof. And the nice part about that is you don't have those panels that are just sticking out. You don't have a place for critters or bugs to go or squirrels.
Yeah.
So, they're not nestling up in your roof.
Does every shingle on the roof have to be the solar panel?
No.
Wait, so this is what it looks like?
Oh, exactly. So right here is what it looks like. It's integrated into the roof.
Wow.
So it's a full system. It's seamless. This goes on just like the actual asphalt shingle. So it's very, very nice. It looks clean. And the nicest part about it is it produces energy, so it allows for a savings for your electric bill.
That is really
and with energy rates going up so high, what better?
Why not?
Do you need to get a whole new roof to get these? Is this more of a start from scratch project? You don't just add them?
So with this one, it is a whole new roof.
Yeah.
So really, it's helping those customers that are looking to get a new roof, but also if they want to do something that's more energy efficient, then they can choose this option. So it's a really good option. We do this exclusively in Connecticut, so it's awesome. And the nice part is it's actually through one manufacturer.
Oh.
So you don't have to deal with the solar company, the roofer.
Yeah.
You just deal with
one
you.
company. You're all set to go.
And where the heck is Eddie?
Oh, Eddie actually just had a baby boy last Friday.
Congratulations to your brother. You're an uncle.
My brother, yes, Eddie. So
Maverick is the
name. So
I
mean, I was coming up on the way to the studio, listening to Top Gun. It's been on repeat since Friday.
Great.
So
Congratulations.
it's been super exciting.
And you've never had a case of the shingles?
No,
Which is
not
even in the roofing business.
No, sir.
All right,
no, sir.
perfect.
So,
I just want to mention also that you like to be involved in the community. So you guys
Absolutely.
are really big on giving back too.
Absolutely. So that is something so important to us. We actually announced our Gunner Cares initiative, which it's really just a way for us to give back to a community that we get so much from.
Yeah.
So
Perfect.
we're actually, for Veterans Day, we're giving a roof away for a vet.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And it's called Under One Roof. So we're going to be announcing that pretty shortly here.
Wow.
But we're going to be doing it in the Hartford area, also over in Philadelphia.
Great.
But it's something that's super important to us, right? It's it's our way of just working with small organizations, but also large organizations.
Andrew,
too.
we can't
So,
thank you enough
Thank
for
you
being
so
on
much.
the show.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. And one thing I do want to mention is you will get a $1,000 credit if you do mention Great Day Connecticut. So
There you go.
get some savings too.
Yeah, all right. So to learn more about Gunner Roofing, please visit gunnerroofing.com. You can try on your roof right there. You can also check them out on Instagram at Gunner Roofing. Thanks so much.